Check out Promac, black computer owned repair shop. They'll get you right. How long you been doing this, brother? So this like a passion of yours? 17 years, more than a decade. Goodness, putting in that work. Peace. It's Andrew the Promised Child once again. How we doing, brothers and sisters? How we doing, kings and queens? And you know where I'm at today? We down here at the Promac computer, phone, and tablet repair, 1819 West Broad Street. Make sure you come down here and check this brother out. So listen, here we go. This is what we got right here. We got the computer, phone, and tablet repair, virus removal. Now I know a lot of people got some viruses on their phone, and this brother, he can, he can make that happen for you. You got the data recovery, cloud backup, buy, sell, trade, mobile, you can illustrate. You know what I'm saying? All this good stuff down here, man. Let's go on the inside and check them out. All right, so you see the computers right here. Nice computer right here. This is a Dell computer. Dope. You know what I mean? Come check them out. Come down here, get you some computers, and I'm trying to let you know. Come down in this junk. Then we got a nice picture right here. This is a beautiful picture. No cap. Hey, that's what the youngins say, no cap. Like, this is a dope picture. I like this. Oh, man. And listen, this is the owner's daughter. I didn't know that. So that makes it even more special. You know what I'm saying? So that does something. So when she come here, and she see that on the wall, first, Pops owned the store, right? That's number one. Then number two, she owned the wall. Oh my goodness. That's such empowerment. No cap. Such empowerment. All right, so we got some more computers over here. We got the Mac Pro right here. Well, laptops, you know, Mac Pro, the MacBook Air. All this good stuff, man. Check it out. Yeah, right. Oh, yeah. Hey, bro. Then you got the nice setting back here, and this is where he's actually putting in the work at right here. Like, oh my goodness, this is good work right here. But you see this, right? It says employees only. So when you come here, don't you bring your butt back here. This is for employees only. And the boss man, you understand? And listen, if you got some dirty hands, got some alcohol down here for you too. You know? Thanks.
Let me show you some work. I'm showing some magic out there now. We do a little bit of everything. It's like a data recovery on a cable box. Love projects everywhere. Top case replacement right here. I got like top case replacement, speaker. That's done. Liquid damage. Yeah, I love some. Yeah, bro. How many of these you got today? What you got playing, you know?
Man, you already know, man, working, doing some more recordings. You know, I got to get back to your stylist.
Okay.
Go get some more pictures over there, some more recordings over there, brother.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So right here, what you got going on right here, brother?
So this was like a shop project, and we were waiting for these speakers to come in. Because I don't let no money sit and try to take care of the customer super fast. So I told her, I'm like, yo, I got a used system in the back. I can get you speakers today. And she was like, that's fine. So I gave her the used speakers from this one, because you already had that model out on the floor. And I was just making some speakers to come back in, essentially. So yeah, we get it. But if they walk out, sometimes they won't come back.
So how long this process usually takes?
So this right here is the easy one. I mean, for us, probably 10, 15 minutes, 10, 15 minutes on this repair. And yeah, hand it right back to the customer. If we got the part in stock, then we can hand it right back. If not, sometimes we gotta order it.